No?
Taking a video for your dad.
I don't know if there's any tissues in here. There's wipes. I don't know if there's any tissues. Oh, here's a box of tissues. You ready to put your seatbelt on? Huh? What? I can't hear you. It's right next to you. You can wipe your own face and nose. It's right there. Why should I do it? Because why? You're 5. You are a big boy. If you're going to slobber all over yourself, you need to wipe it off. No, you can do it. I'm going to come back and buckle you in again. It's time to go. You have it in your hand. I'm totally confused on why. There. There you go. Why are you hitting yourself? Why are you hitting yourself? Why are you hitting yourself?